Hey, what's going on, you guys? I really have no idea what this is back here. You probably can't see it very well off in the distance. Train yard over there. I was over there screwing around and I seen this. I have no idea what it is. So it's time to investigate and let's see what this is. I mean, it's out here, as you can see. We're gonna climb over these rocks. It's out here in the middle of nowhere too. There's my getaway ride. Oh shit, what is this? Turn the light on. Oh wow. This was part of a, holy crap, it's completely underwater. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see all that down there. Oh yeah, this was a wastewater, this was part of a water treatment facility. And it's completely flooded. Damn. Wow, I wish it wasn't flooded. 'Cause I bet this goes further, you just can't see it. Very interesting. Hello! Woo! Well, I'm easily amused. Yeah. Looks like fun. Wonder how it got flooded. Let's go see. Ooh, they're pulling the train out. Can you get? I can't zoom in. They're pulling a train in over there. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get back there. Better watch where I flick this cigarette. End up burning half of freaking Madison County down. Yeah, let's go back here. See what this is. That is, I don't know what that is. Yeah, they're pulling a train out. I doubt very seriously this little action camera can. Yep, Norfolk Southern. So yeah, you guys. Okay, well, that's what it says there. Something facility, I don't know. Yeah. Wow. That was pretty cool. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching.